Hi everyone, it's Monica
And Maya.
and Maya. What are we making today? Salad.
No, I want to do it.
Okay.
We're making Japanese salad recipe.
Whee! Dressing recipe. Yay!
Jane recipe.
Yeah, that's.
We're trying to make it.
Yeah. What do we need, Maya? We need some carrots.
Yeah.
We need some ginger. And we need some onions.
Yeah.
And we need some canola oil.
Yeah.
And what else? And a blender. You need a blender. Okay. Okay guys, so I am going to need some ginger and some onions, some coconut sugar, use whatever you have at home, and I also have some organic canola oil, I have some rice vinegar, soy sauce, salt, and some carrots. I guess Maya can't really handle the ginger taste, but it's really good, guys.
Yeah.
I like to store this in a mason jar and I put it in the fridge. This dressing can last up to a week and a half to 2 weeks. Also, I will be pairing this with some lettuce. Alright guys, that is it for the video today. I'm so tired today. Oh my god. If you have any suggestions for us, food recipe,
Mom, I'm mad.
just
Look my face.
I'm not mad. If you have any suggestions for us, just leave it on the comments down below. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to... What face is that? If you haven't done so, please subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video. Bye.